Hello everyone! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung common na tinatanong na naman sa akin, paano ba mag-reapply in 5-1 Talk? Teach, I am a former teacher of 5-1 Talk. Gusto kong bumalik na sa pagtuturo in 5-1 Talk. What will I do? Okay, so ito mayroon talaga akong masasagot based sa na-experience ko kasi I am also a returning teacher. So ang tawag kasi sa atin, kung gusto nating bumalik, returning teacher. Yung fail sila sa kanilang first attempt ng pag-apply, re-applicant po ang tawag sa kanila. So for those pala na hindi nakakaalam, I started here in 5-1 Talk last 2020. Yun yung unang launching ko dito. And then, I lasted for almost 2 years. Tapos, nag-stop ako ng pagtuturo dahil mayroong ibang pinagkabisihan. And then, I reapplied last February of 2025 at na-launched ako last Feb 25. So, ano yung ginawa ko? I have a co-teacher na 5-1 talker na siya. She encouraged me to go back. So, I used her link. So, doon ako pumasok sa kanyang link kasi nga ang dapat nating gawin is mag-email. Dahil sa karami-rami na ng applicants ng 5-1 Talk, hindi talaga tayo makaka-receive ng reply as a returning teacher. So, the way to fast-track our application is to use a link. So, doon ako pumasok, nag-sign up, and then I used another email address and cell phone number para na makapag-set ako ng interview. Doon, nagka-schedule ako for interview. That time, Skype pa yung ginagamit. So, mayroon ka talagang mga questions na dapat sagutin in Skype. Tapos, isa sa mga tanong doon is, are you a former teacher? Siyempre, I don't want to lie. So, I put there, yes. So, ang sabi niya, what is your teacher's name? Yun, she checked on the data. Later, nakita naman niya yung information ko at binigyan niya ako ng link kung saan ako pwedeng mag-type in ng aking pangalan at ibang information for reapplication as returning teacher. Yes, kasi iba yung process ng mga returning teacher. So, dapat i-fill up yung link na ibinigay niya. At the end of that link, may note tapos na you need to wait for 2 to 3 days for their feedback. Kung pwede ka pang makapagpatuloy sa iyong application. Nag-alala na ako. Kasi the company will still be checking if good yung record mo sa kanila. Kasi kung you are one of the blacklisted teachers, then you cannot apply anymore or continue your application. Makikita kasi nilang lahat sa record nila kung you are still capable. So if you are one of those potential teachers to be accepted in the platform, the good thing. Pero kung you are one of the blacklisted, then you cannot continue anymore. Especially if you have cases like ZTP, absences. Yeah. Although in my case, marami talaga akong absences in the first 3 months ko in 5-1 Talk. Pero na-recover ko na yon kasi almost 2 years talaga ako sa 5-1 Talk. Ang problema ko lang, nagda-doubt ako baka hindi na ako makapag-apply dahil sa hindi ako nag-inform before I did have my leave. Basta lang akong naglaho, hindi ako nag-file ng leave. Pero good thing that after more than 3 days ata, naka-receive ako na I can continue my application. Hopeless na talaga ako nun. So, after that, PSO na ako agad. And then, same process na yung pinagdaanan ko. Same sa mga new applicants. Kahit na ganun, hindi naman ako nag-complain na back to the same process ako kasi I need refreshment. Nalimutan ko nang magturo ng mga Chinese kids. At naman mag-refresh ako yung mga TPRs and all. That's a good thing in my part kasi I do vlogging, I do sharing. So, natuwa ako na pinagdaanan ko yun lahat. Yung NTT, yung final demo, yung onboarding. So, those are all part of the reapplication for returning teachers. So, you can do the same as what I have did. Just make sure na good yung inyong record. You can use my link if you want. Pero after using my link, na rin kayo papasok sa aking list of applicants kasi they will reactivate your previous account. Para bang naging gateway niyo lang yung link ko para maka-continue kayo for your reapplication as a returning teacher. And then, wag na po kayong mag-attempt na you will say no, na you are not a teacher of 5-1 Talk before. Kasi makikita talaga nila na naging teacher kanila before. So, don't be dishonest. Just say yes. Kasi kung hindi ka talaga pwedeng mag-reapply, let's just accept it. Kasi we all have the records. So, mati-trace pa rin nila. Ang mangyayari kasi, you're thinking na nalusutan mo sila, pero after your onboarding, mayroon pa kasing profile review. So, if they have seen that your old record matches your current record, then hanggang doon na lang yun, hindi ka na malalunch. So, dapat talaga honesty is the best policy pa rin. So, I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. And talagang pinili ko pa rin na bumalik dito sa 5-1 Talk because in here, I learned a lot. Ito yung unang company na open arms talaga akong tinanggap. And this will be my forever company because in here, I'm happy. Importante kasi talaga yung happiness mo sa isang company. And it's not just only about money. It's also about happiness. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have some questions, just drop down below. God bless everyone. See you next time.